get back.
Yeah. Right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
What's the name of this one, baby?
Silver.
Silver Falls.
Run Falls.
Silver Run Falls. You go ahead. Nice little trail.
Mm-hmm.
You got your grippy shoes on?
Got my grippy shoes in.
Just be careful. Might get a little bit soggy. You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if I just fall forward.
You'll break my back.
That's right. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to take care of my neck. This isn't too bad though.
No, I like this. I like a natural trail without steps. I don't like steps. I'd rather have this. It's a slow grading rock path. This is nice. Yeah, I don't know if that was the way to go or this is the way to go. It sounds like they're right over there though.
Yeah.
It is cold. Get out of that car for a minute, it starts getting cold. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
You need one more? I got this one too.
No, I'm good. I'm not that cold. It's crisp. It's good. That's a good description. It's the main, yeah, it's the main trail for sure. It's weird because it sounded louder at the car, and we get walking closer to it, it doesn't sound as loud. There, I can hear it. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh wow. That is, oh wow. That's some clear water. See any fish? Oh, this bridge is slippery. Be careful. I couldn't see the, look at the everything's on the carved on the I guess we're gonna get closer. I wonder if that other trail goes around so you can see better. Oh.
Well, this isn't the end.
Okay, yeah, let's see where this actually goes.
Okay.
I hope I parked okay normally there with that little ramp.
I would think you can't, but it's really.
Well, I mean, I hope I parked properly on that little, it's like a little triangle spot. I wasn't expecting people's trailers darting in there like that. There's all kinds of little side trails going off to the side, you know. Probably some real hiking around here, you know. I wonder where all those trails go. Ah, this could be a good view here. Oh, look at that! It's like a little pond. How cool is that? I fell down. How cool is this?
Oh, you gotta go on the rock.
Look at that. You want me to go? Here, you want to walk down? Hold on my shoulders. Yeah, I can walk and hold the phone. And you. You just hop over here to this rock. There we go. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, look at that, man.
Silver Run Falls. That is very cool. Beautiful. Water's clear as it can be. Oh, look at that little falls over there. Very nice. Alright, the Silver Run Falls.